Hi guys, it's me Ray from raytalks.co.uk. I'm going to be showing you how to make your very own African black shampoo. Let's go. You will need an applicator bottle, black soap, water and some menthol. So I just wanted to let you know there's different types of black soap and I'm showing you some here. This is an extremely dark brand, and then here is Dudu Osun, a very popular brand. It doesn't matter what you use as long as you're using natural black soap. I've opted for the black soap here, this one, and this is known as Oshegana black Ghanaian soap. So get your black soap and chop it up like I'm doing here. You need about maybe 100 grams. Make sure you like this video. So just cut it up like so into small chunks. You can also use your hands, but I decided to use a knife. Please subscribe if you haven't already. So once you've got your chunks cut up, you will need your applicator bottle. So unscrew the lid and insert the pieces into the bottle like I'm doing here. You will see that I decided to fill up my bottle 3/4 of the way of black soap. I would suggest that you do a minimum of 1/4 of the way so you get the best results, but I wanted to make this as soapy as possible, hence why I put a bit more black soap. So once you've done that, you want to grab your water and fill it to the top. You can leave a little bit of a gap like I've done here. Still pouring, yeah, and that will just help you when you're shaking the content. So the next thing I do is close the bottle and give it a quick shake to, in a sense, get the dissolving process on its way. That part was optional, by the way. So have a look at the soap here. Can you smell it? No. So get your menthol. I've got 2 pieces here. And then what I'm doing here, I'm just breaking it into smaller pieces like so, and then I put it into the bottle. I will link everything down below, so definitely check the subscription box. This is sulfur. This is optional. I got this in Nigeria. So I'm taking about a teaspoon of sulfur and applying it to the mixture like so. If you know a quicker way of doing this, please let me know. It was quite difficult getting this into the bottle, but I did it. Yes, I did it. So you can see the sulfur, it goes straight to the bottom of the bottle. I will have tips, I will have more information about the benefits of the things used on my blog, so check it out. So I'm just closing the bottle like so, tighten it up again, and then I'm going to give it a shake like that so all the mixture can properly dissolve and nicely incorporate into one another. So I just leave that on the side and wait for the soap to fully dissolve. So here's a few minutes later and you can see the soap has dissolved and my black soap is ready to use. You can see the sulfur at the bottom, so I will just typically shake that. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Make sure you share it with at least one friend. Check out my blog for more information and don't forget to subscribe. Have a good day. Ray.